Welcome to Stonehenge. Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Stonehenge and we are about to go up and see all the stones. So let's have a look. So going to get on the shuttle bus. We're in the north of England, I think. And this is Wiltshire. So remember last week I take you to Berkshire, and this week I take you to Wiltshire. And this is Stonehenge. And I think we're gonna get on the next shuttle bus.
Oh no.
It's full anyway. We're walking through this maze. And we wait. Some people walk. Oh, sorry. What's going on there? Oh, they're gonna get a drink.
I have no idea.
It's a story.
I just to go see the stones and then.
A stone there. This I'm gonna go. Stay there.
No, she's gonna ask you where you're going.
Oh, no entry.
There's just a shop, we've got the exhibition the other side, we have the cafe there too, and toilets in front left of the building.
Oh.
You're welcome back and do that.
We run them like every 5-ish minutes, so you're more than welcome to go explore, come back. This is just the queue for the bus for groups. This is the queue for the bus for people that come from the car park. So that's the only reason we don't want people walking around this way.
Oh,
You're more
okay.
than welcome to go through there as much as you like.
There you go. I'll be back. How do I get in here? Can I walk underneath or just explore a little bit till the bus comes? Yeah? A little cafe or restaurant where you can buy your refreshments until your bus comes. If you want to get drink, tea or coffee until your bus comes. This little food area where you can, oh, and look over here. Look over here. Look at this beauty. This is a beauty. And not to mention, is a stone there. And we are in Stonehenge. There we go. Let me turn the camera on so you can see me. There you go. And I am right outside stones. This is a stone. I'm as tall as a stone. And look. So we are outside Stonehenge. Look at this, look at that. Look behind me, and that's the stone behind me there. Let me touch it so you know that it's not like fake. Yeah. This is a stone. Everybody's wearing this, wearing stuff, but I'm not because I love it. I love the sun. I'm gonna show you all these things in a minute, but let me. Oh, the bus is here. We have to go. We have to go. The bus is here. I'll have to come back. The bus is here. The bus. The bus. The bus. The bus. The bus. The bus. I have to run. Catch the bus. The bus. The bus. The bus. The bus. Welcome to Stonehenge. Let me pull it up so you can have a good old pause and read. This is where we're going. Before, there was nothing. This was before. Look at that. And there is Stonehenge right there. This beautiful countryside. Absolutely beautiful. Should I take you back that side and have a look? Yeah. I am in Wiltshire, and that's Stonehenge there. Whoopsie. Woohoo! Woohoo! I am going to Stonehenge. So this is another big tourist attraction. This is called Stonehenge. By the way, you know what? I didn't even greet you all today. I hope you're having a great day because I am. I'm having a fantastic day. I'm in Wiltshire. A little girl from Jamaica, and I'm in Wiltshire. How about that? Fantastic. Ooh. I'm looking forward to showing all of you guys this. This is so monumental. I think I'm going this way. Also, I'm going to turn the camera around. There you go. That's Stonehenge behind me there. So here is the great Stonehenge, and there's a lot of people, including myself, come to see the stone. So another tourist attraction.
The sky is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So this is, I mean, it's so sad you can't go there to touch it. Private tour to a stone.
Okay. As I said, this is a stone. This is another stone.
to sunset.
256. Okay.
Yeah, I do. I feel like I can imagine.
No. Okay, tell me where to go.
But you need to go that way,
This way.
towards the stone.
I need to like push it.
Okay, you need to come back. Go forward.
This way?
Forward, yeah. Okay, you need to put your hand up. I think you need to have one hand high and one hand down. I can't see the back of your head. You're too far back now. Forward, forward, forward. Okay, then you need to put your hand, your left hand high.
Can you see me?
You need to get a bit closer. A bit closer to the stone. Okay. Put your left hand high. You need to turn this way. Your right hand needs to go up a little bit more. Too far. Right there. Your left hand needs to go a bit higher. Turn this way. Well, you're almost near it. But
So we're in Wiltshire. Yeah. No. This is Stonehenge, everybody. And listen, I hope you're all having a great day, you know, because today is a very important day. Today we're on a road trip to our very own Stonehenge. This is located in Wiltshire. Oh, there is another one. Here we go. We're gonna do this other challenge again. We're gonna do this challenge. We are leaving Stonehenge and we're going back to our coach because we have to go. So it was lovely. It's lovely meeting you, Stonehenge. See you another time.